Hi, this is 𝗙𝗓𝗧. In today's video, we are going to know about sneaker reselling culture. Before getting into the concept, let's go from the basics. We all know what sneaker is, right? Sneaker is a footwear which is made of rubber sole. Have you ever wondered how the word sneakers came into existence? There is a story behind it. Sneakers were the footwear which was used by robbers, pranksters, and kidnappers to sneak around undetected. And that's how the term sneaker have evolved. So the next question that might pop in your mind is, how come a footwear used by robbers have become this popular? Wearing sneakers is a fashion statement in US. Sneakers came into prominence when hip-hop culture and basketball have become famous. When Nike collaborated with Michael Jordan, they launched a new collection called Air Jordan 1s, which was a massive hit. People were robbed at gunpoint for their sneakers. This tells us the value of the sneakers. So now let's look into how the sneaker reselling culture works. To keep it short and simple, a reseller buys the product from the big brands and resell it to the customers at higher price. And this continues like a chain. The resellers can either be individuals or consignment stores, simply referred as sneaker boutiques. The markup can also be 10 times higher than the original price of the product. But not every sneakers can be sold for higher price as 10 times from the original price. So it depends on the area-based release, rarity of the product, and collaboration, etc. If you have to do the sneaker reselling in online, there are marketplaces like StockX and Goat, and there are these bots which entirely automates the buying and reselling process. So now let's look into the lingos which is used by sneaker enthusiasts. Often, the sneaker lovers are known as sneakerheads. And also, there are these two terms called cop and drop. Drop is when the big brands releases new products, and cop is successfully buying the pair of sneakers. People who are unable to buy the products during the launch turn to resellers and buy the products at higher price. So now let's look into the global sneaker market value. The global sneaker market value is about $60 billion in 2019. And by 2025, it is estimated that the resale market value will rise up to $1 or $2 billion. In India, the sneaker reselling culture has grown significantly and also seen as a place for investment. According to the market and consumer data expert Statista, the Indian sneaker market value is about $2.6 billion in 2022, and it is estimated to see 11.58% of growth annually. The interesting thing here is the most of the revenue is obtained through the resale market value. There is this company called Find Your Case in India, which is worth 4 crore, and they closely work with 3,000 resellers who pay monthly subscriptions of 1,500 to 6,000 rupees. The platform sells anywhere between 300 to 500 sneakers a month. Danish Chabla, the co-founder of the Find Your Case company, tells that big brands launches their product at specific time. Nike, for instance, launches their product at 7:30 a.m. and the products are sold within a minute. Sometimes the products are sold within 10 seconds. That's where the resellers plays a huge role. Chabla says the products from Nike or Adidas, which is worth of 20,000, can be sold up to as high as 2 lakh in the resale market. And there are also marketplaces like Main Street Marketplace and Soul Search. The Soul Search sees monthly revenue of 1 crore and the average price of the sneaker is 25,000. Even businesses like Tinder are cashing in with the trend by collaborating with companies like Fila and launching limited editions. There is also this interest category for sneakers, which has seen an increase in 2.5 times in 2021. So this tells the craze is growing for sneakers. So now tell me, what do you think about the sneaker reselling culture? Will it last for a long time, or is it just a fad? Let me know in the comment section below. So that's it for today. To know more about fashion, do follow Fashionous in Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Thank you everyone. See you again.